Hi students, welcome to Gauri Smart channel. Today we are going to discuss about fourth day. Fourth day is sets, top 15 models, and I promised you most important shortcuts I will say in sets. So that's what I am going to say today, shortcuts in sets and top most important 15 models, so which are very important for our triple IT. So discuss and do it in your book and send me the practice grand test papers. Means submit the grand test marks, then definitely you will get the good rank. So many students are getting good ranks, so many students are writing, so thanks a lot so for supporting me and for making my videos popular. So thank you very much. Now we are going to discuss about sets, top 15 models and shortcuts. Now let us start. Now see here some problems I have given. Those are all only using one shortcut, that is I will say listen. See, you will have either you may be asking union, or you may be asking intersection, or you may be asking minus, difference. So you may be asked union, or you may be asked intersection, or you may be asked difference. So while you are seeing this type of problems, you do only one shortcut, that is nothing but the first set before operation. What is the set is there? That is horizontal lines. You draw horizontal lines. After intersection or union or difference, draw the vertical lines. Draw the vertical lines. I will explain. First of all, listen this shortcut. So before symbol, whatever it is there, that is horizontal line. After symbol, whatever it is there, that is vertical line. Now, if you want to find union, take all horizontal lines plus take all vertical lines plus take all combination of horizontal and vertical. That is your answer. That is your answer. Now, if you want to find intersection, take only the combination of horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines and vertical lines. If you want to find difference, take only horizontal lines. Take only horizontal line. So this is, you remember. Now these all problems we can do within 2 or 3 seconds only. Within 2 or 3 seconds only. Like that we will do. So very easily. Now remember, before operation, whatever the set is there, that is horizontal lines. After symbol, whatever the set is there, that is vertical lines. After drawing that one, if you want to find union, you take all horizontal, vertical and combination of both. If you want to find intersection, the combination of both only you should take. If you want to find difference, you have to take only horizontal lines. So now we will do all problems. Let us see. First problem. See, in this first problem, this is mu, this is A, this is B. So for every problem, for this one, everything, this diagram only. This diagram only. Except A subset B or B subset A. For that problems, different diagrams will be there. For this problem, for all these problems, this diagram only. This is a mu, this is A and this is B. Okay. Now see here. B is horizontal lines and A dash is vertical lines. So all of you see, all of you are seeing. See now. B is horizontal lines. So B is horizontal lines. A dash is vertical lines. A dash means what? Mu minus A. Means the element should be present in mu, should not present in A. Should present in mu and should not present in A. So should present in mu, should not present in A. Those are vertical lines. Those are vertical lines. Means this is the diagram. This is the mu. Only they should not present in A. The remaining it is presenting. Okay, now I got the answer. See. So I have drawn the diagram. Now what I have to find? Minus. What I have to find? Minus I have to find. So minus means what I told? Vertical lines. In this diagram, where is the vertical lines? So you observe clearly, here only vertical lines. So this is what? A intersection B. This is what? A intersection B. So answer second option. Answer second option. Next, this one. Okay, A minus B is horizontal lines, B minus A is vertical line, because symbol before horizontal line, symbol after vertical lines. Now A minus B means what? The elements should present in A only, should not present in B. So this one. Now B minus A, the elements should present in B only, should not present in A. This is the diagram. Okay. Now what we have to find? Union. What we have to find? Union. Union means what? Vertical lines, horizontal lines and both. Here vertical lines we have to take, means this one we have to take, and union, this one you have to take. Isn't it? So A minus B union, B minus, that is only they are asking. So this is nothing but total A union B minus A intersection B. Isn't it? Total A union B minus A intersection B. See here, total A union B minus A intersection B, that is the second option. So total A union B minus, we are subtracting intersection, because intersection no need. So minus A intersection. So that is A union B minus A intersection B. Next. Here A minus B is pi and B minus A is pi. Then what is the answer? A minus B is pi means those are disjoints. Those are disjoints. Now the diagram will be changed for you like this. This is A and this is B, because disjoints. A minus B. So whatever the A minus B is pi means whatever the elements A is there, those elements are not in B. What are the elements present in B? Those are not in A. So A minus B is equal to pi, B minus is equal to pi. This is the diagram. Now A intersection B. So these two are not connected. So A intersection B is definitely pi. So answer first option. A subset B naught, B subset A naught, A is equal to naught. Next. If A intersection B is equal to pi, then B intersection A dash. This is the diagram, because A intersection B is equal to pi. Now what they are asking? B intersection A dash. So for B what? Horizontal lines. So for B, horizontal lines. A dash what? A dash means mu minus A. Mu minus A means the elements should not present in A, it present in all. So we have to draw vertical lines. Should not present in A and present in all. Now, what they are asking? Intersection. See, intersection they are asking. In this intersection means what I told? Intersection means combination of both. So, the combination of both where? In B. It is a B. So, answer B. So, answer B means second option. Second option is the correct answer. Now, this one, so see here, it is very, very important, the last one, because this is two problems. This is a two problems, most very important. First, you have to find this one, then after that, you have to find B. So, for the purpose, first we have to find this one, A union B dash. First, we have to find this one. So A is horizontal line and B is vertical lines. So A is horizontal lines. B dash means should not present in B. So union means all we have to take. Union means all we have to take. Means we have to take B minus A. This is nothing but B minus A. See here clearly. A union B dash we have drawn. So union means all we have to take. All we have to take means we don't take B minus A, isn't it? So we are eliminating, means we are all taking except B minus A, except B minus A. This is not B minus A. So we are taking this everything. Now intersection B dash. Now same diagram will draw. A, B. So for this one what? Horizontal lines, this is vertical lines. So whatever it is there, that is horizontal except B. Okay, now for B, vertical lines. Only B. Now what they are asking, intersection. So intersection means what? The combination of horizontal lines and vertical lines. So where it is? It is A intersection B. So A intersection B is the second option. So like this, two problems combination they have given, most very important. Like this, first you have to find this one. After that should be horizontal line. The second one is vertical line. So the combination nothing but this one is the answer, A intersection B. Now A minus B union C. A minus B union C. Now let us suppose take this is A, this is B and this is C. A, B, C. Now A minus B. So A means horizontal lines, B union C vertical lines. So A is horizontal lines. B union C is vertical lines. Okay. Now minus. Minus means what? This one. Only horizontal lines. I already explained, minus means only horizontal line. So this is our answer. So this is nothing but, so what you have to take? So A minus B and A minus C. So that is the part, means in the intersection we have to take. So A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B, A minus C. So that is the answer, A minus B intersection A minus C. Now A intersection B hold as, A intersection B hold as. So A intersection B hold as means the elements should present in mu and should not present in A intersection B. So that is the answer, mu minus A intersection B. So mu minus A intersection B. So the elements should not present in intersection and present in all. So this is horizontal lines, this is vertical lines, isn't it? Now minus means this one. So this will be A dash union B dash. So means A dash means these are all, B dash means these are all. So answer A dash union B dash. Next, if A is subset B, this is A, this is B and this is mu. This is mu. Okay. Now A union B dash. So A union B minus A. A is horizontal lines. A is horizontal line. B minus A. B minus A means should present in B only, should not present in A. That is vertical lines. So what they are asking, union. Union means total. Total means that is nothing but B. So total is nothing but B. So answer B. Next, A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash. Mu A B. So A is for horizontal, B dash is vertical. So A is horizontal. B dash means the elements should present mu, should not present in B. B dash means mu minus B. So should present in mu, should not present in B. So this one. So what we want intersection? Intersection means this one. That is A minus B. Only A minus B. So first option. Okay, now 10th one. A is subset B, then A dash union B we have to find. So already I explained. So before symbol that is a horizontal lines, after symbol that is vertical lines. Now A is subset B means this is A, this is B and total is in mu. Okay, A dash means what? Mu minus A dash is equal to mu minus A. Means the elements should not present in A and should present anywhere. So everywhere. So means it should not present in A everywhere. So means everything should be horizontal lines, including mu. Should not present in A, isn't it? Okay. Now for B vertical lines, for B only vertical lines. This everything is B. Okay, we have completed the diagram. Now union. Union means horizontal lines, vertical lines and combination of both. So here horizontal line, vertical line, combination of both means total is there. Total is nothing but mu. So answer mu. First option. So next we'll go for 11th one. Now last one, 11th one, that is n of A is equal to 20, n of B is equal to 44, n of A intersection B is equal to 13, n of A union B they are asking. So one formula I will give you, that formula is most very important. So in a triple IT it is most very important. That is, see here, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the formula. If minus n of A intersection B bring this side, then n of A union B bring to that side, same formula. N of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. So they are asking n of A intersection B. So n of A union B they are asking 20 plus 44 minus 13, that is 64 minus 13, that is equal to 51. So 51 is the fourth option. So you remember n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, or n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. So you remember these two formulas most important. Now if A comma B are disjoint sets, means there is no common elements. There is no common elements. If there is no common elements, then n of A intersection B 0. Then if they are asking n of A and B, then 20 plus 44, that is 64. If A comma B are disjoint sets, then answer 64. Remember that one. Next, n of P of A is equal to 128, then n of A. This is power set. Yesterday I told power set. So power set means 2 power n elements will be there. So 2 power n is equal to 128. So 2 power n is equal to 2 power 7. See, 2 power 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. So 128. So bases are equal, then powers are equal, n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7, that is the third option. That is the third option. Next, A dash whole dash is equal to A. Always remember A dash whole dash. A dash means the elements should present in mu, should not present in A. Again dash means the elements should present in A, should not present in mu. That's it. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, then number of non-empty proper subsets is 1, 2, 3, 5. So don't confuse. Up to 5 means 5 elements, not only 4 elements. So number of non-empty proper subsets. If they are asking subsets, 2 power 4, 16. If they are asking proper subsets, 2 power n minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15 answer. Now they are asking non-empty proper subsets, means 2 power n minus 2. Formula 2 power n minus 2. So 16 minus 2, that is 14 is the answer. So third option. If n of A is equal to 7 and n of B is equal to 5, then the maximum elements in A union B. So maximum elements. You think A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 5, then union means 7 only, na? So answer 7 you will keep. No. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 how much? 12. So answer is 12. Maximum elements. If they are asking minimum elements, these are the common elements we have to take. 7 only. Answer 7. If they are asking minimum elements. If they are asking intersection maximum elements, so intersection maximum elements means if they are taking 5, so answer is 7. Answer is 7. If they are asking, answer is 5, because intersection means answer is 5. If they are asking minimum elements in intersection, answer is 0. So like that we can do the sets almost most important for problems. So this is, friends, our concept problems related. So this video is very useful for all. Please send to all your friends, and if you like this video, please like it. If you want to share it, you can share it. If you want to subscribe my channel, you can subscribe, or you can make your friends also subscribe. So thank you very much for watching video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.